Hi, this is Mary, formerly Cafe di Roma. Today, pumpkin tiramisu. I'm going to show it to you in two stages. Seasonally, my favorite dessert used to be pumpkin pie. Till I saw this in a dream and I made it. Pumpkin tiramisu is my favorite seasonal dessert. But there's two stages. First, you're going to bake the pumpkin pie without the crust. You get a can of pumpkin or a can of pumpkin pie mix. It's better to get a can of pumpkin and make your own pumpkin pie. It shows you on the label how to do that. You bake that the day before. You scrape it out, and here's what it is. You just can't throw in a can of pumpkin in the tiramisu and expect it. If pumpkin is cooked, what makes you think you can throw a can in of pumpkin to make a pumpkin tiramisu? It has to be a cooked pumpkin pie filling, okay? Next, this chills overnight. Next, you put in 1 block of cream cheese, which I did here, half a cup of sugar, which I did here, almond extract, vanilla extract, and less than half a cup of heavy cream. This is your standard tiramisu cream for all the tiramisus. You can add different extracts. You can put hazelnut, you can put rum, you can put anisette, a bunch. But this is a tiramisu cream. In Italy, mascarpone. In America, cream cheese. Mascarpone is an Italian cream cheese, kind of a little bitter aftertaste, which I don't like. Plus, this is a lot more convenient and a lot cheaper. Here's the filling. And here's the filling, see? I want you to see this filling here. Okay, take about half of it. Maybe we'll take it all. I think I'm gonna use it all, okay? Bring it in here. Okay, watch, I'm gonna put cinnamon, kind of a lot. Pumpkin pie mix seasoning. Okay. And we're going to put in half of the pumpkin pie can. Okay? Just like that. And this is how you mix it. You see this? Mix, mix, mix. You want it more pumpkin-y, you put stronger pumpkin in it. I think I'm going to throw the whole thing in here. And you add a little bit more, make it a little bit softer. Put some more of this in. And this is the filling. The most important part for the pumpkin pie tiramisu, for pumpkin tiramisu, is to make the filling appropriately. So here you have cooked pumpkin in the traditional, my version, tiramisu cream. Here it is. See it? You see the color? How nice? Look. This is it. I'm going to put more seasoning. It has to taste good in here in order for it to taste good in the cake. You see, when in doubt, pour it out with seasoning. And the gauge is how it tastes. I'm going to put a little bit more vanilla in here too, okay? There it is. Don't forget a little pinch of salt. Don't ask me why. You have to put that in baked cookies and cakes, and it just makes it taste better. Okay, this is it. Now we assemble. And you've seen this a lot before too. Lady fingers. Line them up. I use a throwaway cake pan. You can do them in little crystal cups for individual ones. Usually got the imported lady fingers. They're really, what lady fingers are really are the Genoa cake, the French sponge cake. This is much easier. Everybody in Italy and in France are using these cookies to make these fabulous desserts. This is organic from Sprouts because we ran out of the ones from Restaurant Depot. You assemble it, line it up here, instant espresso or strong coffee, okay? Don't drench it. Okay. Need Marsala wine. I'm gonna use Moscato just to change it, because a sweet wine. Okay, usually it's tiramisu. I mean, but I'm just gonna use a Moscato just to change it out. Okay, and you spread it out. You spread it out. If the filling's too thick, just add water or more cream to it. This is how it is. Okay, and then we do the top layer on it. Okay, this dessert is so special. There again, you're making a pumpkin tiramisu. Pumpkin has to be cooked. Take it out of an old pumpkin pie, but really you need to make your own pumpkin pie without. I'm adding water just so that the cookies do get soft. Okay, more of this. Okay, more cinnamon. This is added. A little bit of wine, like I said, Marsala, but I'm doing Moscato because I just happen to have some here. A little bit here in the corner. You don't want to drench the cookies. This is instant espresso, or like I said, strong coffee, but you do not want to drench the cookies. In Italy, you'll see them dip the whole cookie in and then put it in the espresso, but I like firm cake texture. I don't like sogged out cakes. Okay. So really what this is a cup and a half of pumpkin pie, filling already made, and 1 block of cream cheese. That's what will make this. Okay. Okay, it really needs to be a little bit thinner, but hey, we don't rehearse for these. Okay, there we go. Again, I'm going to pour on pumpkin pie. Okay, more pumpkin pie, and then drench it with cinnamon. Okay, and then this is it. And then you pour sugar over this if you want to make it a little sweeter, preferably brown sugar over it, okay? And then you seal it, and it has to marinate 24 hours, okay? When it's done, we used to put the Lion's raspberry sauce, and more cinnamon and more brown sugar, and then white powdered sugar, and that's how we served it. Okay, you guys, happy fall, happy pumpkin tiramisu. God bless you, and ciao.